Hey everyone! Before we dive in, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable financial tips. Today we're diving into a topic that affects everyone: credit scores. Whether you're looking to buy a house, a car, or just get a better credit card, a good credit score is essential. So, let's talk about some quick hacks to boost yours. First up, check your credit report for errors. Seriously, this is huge. According to studies, a significant number of credit reports contain mistakes. You can get a free copy of your report annually from annualcreditreport.com. Look for incorrect balances, accounts you don't recognize, or outdated information. Dispute any errors immediately. Next, pay your bills on time every time. This is the biggest factor influencing your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline. Even one late payment can have a significant negative impact. Third, keep your credit utilization low. This means using only a small percentage of your available credit. Aim for below 30%, but ideally under 10%. If you have a $1,000 credit limit, try to keep your balance below $300. Fourth, become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If you have a trusted friend or family member with a long history of responsible credit use, ask them to add you as an authorized user. Their positive credit history can then reflect on your own report. Fifth, consider a secured credit card or a credit builder loan. If you have little to no credit history, these options can help you establish a positive track record. A secured card requires a deposit that acts as your credit limit, while a credit builder loan is a small loan where the funds are held in a savings account until you've paid it off. Finally, be patient. Building a good credit score takes time. There are no magic shortcuts. Focus on consistent, responsible credit behavior, and you'll see results. So there you have it. Some quick credit score hacks to get you on the right track. Remember to check your reports, pay on time, keep utilization low, and be patient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on personal finance. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. And again, if you haven't already, subscribe for more great content.